Hi, James with Mobility Quad. Here we have a 2026 Mobility Quad wheelchair accessible UTV. With this design, it allows you to keep the front doors, in this case these doors are powered, but it allows you to keep the front doors, and you have a ramp. In this case, the configuration is designed for a caregiver, but we can also design these units to be completely self-independent. In this case, this seat does go up. There's Q strengths on the floor. There's actually one right there, but that one's been removed. This particular unit has AC and heat, and keep in mind, there's still four-wheel drive. So this particular UTV Mobility Quad was stretched, and it allows for the smaller track chair. So it will accommodate most any wheelchair and smaller track chairs. The driver's seat does swing out if you need more room to maneuver to situate the chair inside. Alex here will demonstrate how the ramp closes. So if you have any questions, visit us at mobilityquad.com.